guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special video that I'm super excited to be doing. You guys know I love my crafts, my DIYs, my renovations, stuff like that. I'm constantly doing stuff in my house, constantly finding like cheap dollar store or thrift store items and flipping them into making something cuter and better and all that fun stuff. So my brain is thinking I really want a cheap and fun project to do. My house is pretty much settled the way that I like it. I'm pretty happy with how it is for time being. So if you guys didn't know, my cat recently passed away. Unfortunately, we had to put him down. He got sick really quickly and he just was not healthy. He was honestly just really sick. It just wasn't fair to like have him suffer any longer. So unfortunately, we had to make that decision to put him down. But all of his stuff was in our upstairs bathroom at my mom's house. So we had his like bed, his food and water, his litter box, like that was his spot. And obviously now that he's gone, you kind of have to like get rid of it, work around it, clean it up, So I went over to my mom's house the other day, deep cleaned her house, all that stuff. She told me that, you know, to clean the bathroom and she'll clean the floor, deep clean the floor, because you know there's like litter and all that stuff. You know, she said that she wanted to handle that. So I was like, okay, yeah. So I'm like looking around the bathroom and I'm like, I want to freshen this space out. I want to make this seem brighter. I want to make it smell good. You know, she's had her shower curtain for a while, and don't get me wrong, it is like her stuff in there is so nice and it is expensive stuff in there. And I'm not gonna have her get rid of that stuff. I'm just gonna spice it up a little bit so she has another option if she wants. She can always change it back, whatever. I just want to put her in a nice new cozy little area to feel just fresh and clean, and instead of having the same thing every day, like now she's gonna have like a nice place to like take a bath and to relax and just to unwind and have her own time in her own space. So today we are going to be redoing my mom's bathroom. My goal is to get this under $100. I today spent $25, and the shower curtain that I will be getting is $25 as well. So that leaves me $50 to spare. But I'm actually gonna have my mom send you guys a picture, or send me a picture of the bathroom so I can show you guys what it kind of looks like. I'm gonna show you the curtain she has now. I'm pretty sure she has rugs that I'm just gonna keep. I'm gonna kind of show you guys what I bought today and kind of go and show you where I'm gonna place things. So I went to two places today. I went to Hobby Lobby and the dollar store. I'm saving Target for another day. I'm just getting like little things right now. So my total at Hobby Lobby was $20. Okay, so I ended up getting this for $7. It is a beautiful bouquet of like, I don't even know what this is considered. I am not really sure. And I got this vase and I am debating on if I want to paint it or what I want to do with it. With this, I got this cute little plant holder, plant stand, and I'm gonna set it down next to the actual side table itself to give it some more height, because I didn't want to necessarily get a really big vase considering that this is big, but if I got a big vase I would definitely need more than this for filling. So I just thought that this is gonna add a little bit of height, and I ended up getting this for $7 as well. I'm just gonna be doing stuff like this for the bathroom, just little ways to spice it up that definitely is gonna make a difference. Now, moving on to the dollar store, but the last thing I got was this terracotta paint. This is just kind of like your typical ceramic color, pottery color, stuff like that. So I got this. I got this vase, I think it's super cute. This is going on the side table, as well as this one is going on the side table. And then what I'm gonna do is put on like something like this, and I'm gonna put a candle here, and then we're gonna have this nice terracotta color. So I'm gonna do that, and I think I'm gonna show you guys how I do my vases really quickly, considering I don't really have a project at the moment. And then I also got this black hand soap dispenser from the dollar store as well. In the meantime, this is everything that I got, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I paint the vases. Okay, so yesterday I ended up going to the store to get everything else I needed, and I'm pretty sure I got everything I needed. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got, how I'm gonna put it together, and I'm pretty sure I have everything together, and I'm pretty sure the next step is me just going there and putting everything up. I don't know if we just want to take like a minute to appreciate these, like, and how good these turned out. I'm absolutely obsessed with these, and it was literally $2. And then I'm pretty sure I showed you guys this. I think I spent a total of $60 for all of this, which is not bad at all. And the things that I did get, it's just like a little like minor detail. It's nothing too major, too serious, but it's definitely gonna make a big difference for sure. The vase in her bathroom, which I'm gonna show you guys, the vase I'm talking about, has some blue filler and it's about halfway filled. It's not filled all the way, but I found this super cute filler from Burlington Coat Factory. Now, I was gonna get one almost identical to this, but it was half the size of this bag, and it was $10 at Target. And this one was literally $7 at Burlington. So basically, if this is half of it, I got two for the price of one, plus cheaper. And I ended up getting two of them because I think I'm gonna need a little bit more than this, and if I have leftovers, then I'll use it for something else. But I just think this is really, really nice. So all in all, I spent $14 instead of like $30. This was the shower curtain that I went with. It's the Hearth and Hand brand from Target. I'm literally obsessed with that brand. It just looks like this. This was the one that I wanted online. It's just a cream and gray with some stripes on it. I don't know if you guys can see. And then it has this really pretty fringe at the bottom. I'm obsessed. Really neutral, really nice. And then I got two hand towels for behind the toilet. She has some blue towels for the winter, and then she changes them to like a tan. I just got white ones because I have a basket with some fresh towels. I got some white towels, and then I have some white washcloths for just in the bath or anything. And then I also got this super nice candle that literally matches the vibe of everything from Target. All of these towels from Target. I actually got this basket thrifted at the thrift store for $2, but I sanitized it, I sprayed it, everything is sanitized. I did clean it. And then this candle was Burlington as well for like $7, which these candles, they look super, super nice, but they're usually really expensive. I'm pretty sure I spent a little under $70 and my budget was $100, and I have everything and more for this bathroom. I'm so excited to put this together. The next step is to go to her house, get her out of the house, and put this together. Okay guys, today is the day. I have this laundry bin filled with some stuff, and I also have another basket as well, or another like box as well. So I think I'm pretty sure I have everything and I'm pretty set. I think we're ready to go. I'm gonna pack up the car, charge the car, and then head over there. So we made it to my mom's. I'm just gonna like show you guys what the bathroom looks like so far. So she has this blue candle here. Some of the paint, like the wood chipped here because she was like putting on painter's tape and the painter's tape ripped it. This is a vase I was talking about that I got the vase filler for. These are like the towels she has. Like I told you guys, she has like a little blue theme going on right here for winter. And then this is a side table I was talking about with this. Open this up for a little bit, get some light. And then this is the shower curtain that I am going to be somehow switching. This is like stuck. So this is what the shower curtain looks like. It's a little bit wrinkly, but I think it looks so much better. I love it. I love it, I love it. And it matches like the whites and the creams and all that fun stuff.
Nice.
Got a new shower curtain,
nice.
some new decorations, new towels.
Wow, she's gonna love it.
Made it a little bit brighter. Do you like it?
I like it.
Is it approved? Do you think mom's gonna like it?
She'll love it.
I'm nervous, but I feel like it's like good neutral colors, like, you know?
Oh man, nice.
So yeah. Well, I'm done.
She'll love it, yeah.
Okay.
That was very nice.
Now we wait for mom. So here I put the candle on this little step stool, the one that I got from Hobby Lobby, because she had the candle on the other thing, but I feel like this is so much better. I'm going to show you what I replaced it with, because I had this, I had the plant on this one over there before, but I think that this needed some more height. And then over here was the new vase filler. I put a little crystal that we made ourselves in the Dells. We like cracked it open. And that's how it looks. And then I have the black hand soap. I'm not sure what side I like better. I think I like this side better. So I got this black hand thing right here. Didn't fill it up with soap just because I don't know what hand soap she likes. I know she has hand drying cloths. She doesn't have any clean right now, so she can figure that out later. Then behind the toilet, I just replaced the 2 towels with white towels. And then I used some of the bigger ones that didn't fit in here. And then put a like room spray above the toilet just in case, you know, you gotta use the bathroom. And then this is what I did over here. So I put the towels in this corner, and then instead of putting that on the ground, I put it up here just to give some more height. And then I put the 2 vases right here, and then here's a shower curtain. Love it. And then from afar, when you walk in, so much more brighter than it was before. So excited. And now we wait. I redid the bathroom.
Oh, that's adorable. Oh.
I thought you would like the vase, the new.
That's really cute.
So yeah, I brightened it up.
Yes, you did.
Just a little bit. I mean, I didn't throw your stuff away. I put it in a box, but. Do you not like it?
No, it's just, this is his.
Hey guys, so I'm back from my mom's. It is now, I can't tell because my computer is frozen. It is almost 11 o'clock. I'm editing this video, and if you hear a trickling noise, it's not pee, it's our fish tank. Basically, I ended the video because at first I didn't know if my mom didn't like the bathroom. I saw her reaction and I saw her face kind of drop, and I was like, oh shit, she doesn't like the bathroom. So I turned off the camera because I didn't want to like put the camera in her face, like she was getting emotional. So I turned off the camera and I was just kind of like, okay, if she doesn't like it, I'll change it, whatever. I was having really like confusing thoughts because my dad had liked it, so I was like, oh, like she's gotta like it, you know, it'll be fine. But she just got really emotional because that was my cat space, and now it like hit her that it's really like empty now. So I think she just got hit on a different emotional level that I didn't realize, and I thought that she didn't like it. So I stopped the cameras, and she was very grateful for it, and she kept thanking me, and she loved it so much. So I just wanted to kind of let you guys know that I just didn't want to pressure her on camera to like say all that. And she's getting emotional, and she doesn't like being on camera in general, and I felt really bad like not telling her I was filming anything because I know how she is. So I just wanted to get like her pure like raw reaction at first, and then I realized something was off. So I stopped the cameras, but all in all, she absolutely loved it. I just wanted to come on here and like clarify and let you guys know everything went well, everything went as planned, and I was just really happy that I could do this for my mom. And like I said, it wasn't like a big transformation, but it was just enough to like brighten the space and give her her own little cozy spot to take baths and to relax, get ready in the morning, whatever she has to do. But I know when I redid my bathroom down here, I actually filmed a video of it. Let me know if you guys want me to post it. I've had it sitting in like YouTube private mode for so long now, a couple months. But once I redid my bathroom, I just was more motivated to wake up and get ready in the morning and stuff like that. So I'm hoping that it can have a positive effect on her, which I'm pretty sure it already has. So if you guys like this video, let me know. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, like surprise videos or like transformation videos or stuff like that, just comment down below. And thank you guys so much for watching.